Can I help you? Are you applying for a charge account? Only a few weeks. Have you filled out the application form yet? Have you filled out the application form yet? Is there a problem? Do you have any questions? I don't think there'll be a problem. We'll let our credit office work out the details. There's no charge for the card itself. You pay a small amount of interest on the remaining balance at the end of each month. We'll start you off with a $1,200 maximum. If you need more, we can usually do it. We should have approval within 10 days. Where shall we mail your card? Where shall we mail your card? Thank you. Goodbye. I'm sorry, I don't understand. Excuse me? I beg your pardon?